Hello students, now question number 17. M into matrix 1 1 0 2 equal 1 2. So find a order of M and the value of M. Let order of M is I into J, then M I into J 1 1 0 2 2 into 2 matrix order of second matrix है equal 1 2 order of this matrix है 1 into 2 for product है if है I into J 2 into 2 then equal implies J equal to means numbers J equal to and order of resulting matrix है I into 2 which is equal 1 into 2, so by comparison I equal to 1 and order of M 1 into 2. Let M equal A B order of this matrix है 1 into 2 from equation first put the value of M, so A B 1 1 0 2 equal 1 2. Now multiply of these two matrix है, so A into 1 plus B into 0 and A into 1 plus B into 2 equal 1 into 2. A plus 2B equal 1 2. By comparison A equal 1 and A plus 2B equal to 1 plus 2B equal to 2B equal 2 minus 1, so B equal 1 by 2. Therefore matrix M equal 1 by 2. Answer question number 30. Evaluate 2 cos 60 minus 2 sin 30 second row minus tan 45 cos 0 into cot 45 cosec 30 sec 60 sin 90. Now putting the values trigonometric ratio, so 2 into 1 by 2 minus 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 1 and second matrix है cot 45 1 cosec 32 sec 62 sin 90 1. So first matrix we got 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 and second 1 2 2 1. Now product of these two matrix 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into 2 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2 minus 1 into 2 minus plus 1 into 1. So 1 minus 2 2 minus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 is the answer. Okay students, now exercise 9D question number 17. Find ABC. So first matrix A 3 first row second 4 1 plus 2B first row 1 minus 2 minus 1 1 minus 2C equal 5 0 7 3. In left hand side first element A plus 2 minus 1 3 plus B minus 1 4 plus 1 plus 2 1 minus 2 minus C equal 5 0 7 3. So A plus 1 2 plus B 7 minus 1 minus C equal 5 0 7 3. By comparison A plus 1 equal 5, A equal 5 minus 1, so A 4, 2 plus B equal 0, B equal minus 2 minus 1 minus C equal 3 minus C equal 3 plus 1 C equal minus 4. This is the answer. Now question number 21. If A equal 3 1 minus 1 2 and B I equals 1 0 0 1. Then find A square minus 5A plus 7I. So put the value of A 3 1 minus 1 2. Again A 3 minus 1 3 1 minus 1 2 minus 5A 3 1 minus 1 2 plus 7I 1 0 0 1. Multiply these two matrices. So 3 into 3 1 into minus 1 3 into 1 1 into 2 minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 minus each element multiply by 5. So 15 5 minus 5 10 plus each element of this matrix by 7. So 7 0 0 7. Now 9 minus 1 3 plus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 plus 4 minus second matrix 15 5 minus 5 10 plus third matrix 7 0 0 7. This is 8 5 minus 5 3 minus 15 5 minus 5 10 plus 7 0 0 7. So we get 8 minus 15 plus 7 minus 5 minus 5 0 minus 5 plus 5 plus 0 3 minus 10 plus 7. So we got 0 0 0 0. This is the null matrix. Okay students, answer.